Om Shanti. Om Shanti. Om Shanti. Did you all say Om Shanti 3 times? Yes. Dadi brings so much joy, so much lightness. And today, while offering Bhog, one of the special, there are many specialties, but as if Dadi was a combined form with Baba, both Bab Dada. Once we asked her, whom do you love more, Shiv Baba or Brahma Baba? She said they're not separate, they are together, so I love both of them. So today we can ask that question to ourselves, whom we love more, Bab Dada or Dadi Janki? Because we had been thinking a lot and looking at and listening so many different stories from different Baba's children, and they are very, very enlightening, and you could learn a lot. But when we think of Dadi, we can't separate her from Bab Dada. She was like combined form, because like when we ask ourselves how much we remember Baba, then we have to ask this question, how much Dadi forgets Baba. And I don't think that whether she's sleeping, whether she's eating, she is with Baba. Her love for Baba, her faith in Baba, her dedication, commitment was really, really amazing, because we never see her separate. Is there anyone who saw Dadi separate from Bab Dada? Can I see hands? How many of us saw Dadi combined with Bab Dada? Did you all experience that? Hmm? That when you look at Dadi, you are reminded of Bab Dada. So it's so interesting that her success, Dadi's success, was that she always found time, all her time was to stay connected with Baba and to prepare herself. Because this thought to serve was constantly in the mind of Dadi, in the heart of Dadi. But it's not she planned, let's do this, let's do this. No. She just prepared herself so that Baba can make her instrument. So as much she was combined with Baba, that much she was available for service anytime you tell her. But not only that, but we know that she did unlimited service, whether it is meeting the thousands of people or whether it was meeting, many, many VIPs, many, many world leaders, whether they were Mother Teresa, whether it was Pope, anyone, but she met them, she served them. So it's not that she has any desire to serve, but she used to say, Mother Teresa served the poor ones, and I want to serve both, poor ones and the rich ones, because poor ones might be poor in wealth, but rich ones also are poor because they don't have spirituality, they don't have that love for God. So one day somebody asked her, which service do you like, what Mother Teresa did, or they gave other example. And she said, I have to do both, because she was available for very poor ones and she was always available for the rich ones or famous ones or known ones, the leaders. So it's such a interesting, it's like when you think of her character, her life, it's really amazing. As I said, not only she was combined with Bab Dada, but the way she delegate her time, that we never heard, which generally we hear from many serviceable children of Baba. Oh, I was so busy, I couldn't remember Baba. I was so busy, I was tired for Amrit Vela. And especially in the evening, whatever is happening, 5 to 7, anyone sitting around her, let's sit in Baba's remembrance, let's meditate. So even if she has to, right there, wherever she's sitting, she will make everyone sit in meditation. So she was able to maintain that discipline. I know that sometimes people call you at 7 and then you start talking, but if they know that you won't be available at 7, they won't call you because they know that's your time for meditation. But we always find that's the time for the class, that's the time for meditate. You know, like always we have some reason where we miss evening meditation. And Dadi won't even give class at 7, even whether it is your course or any important meeting. But 7 o'clock was like call from God. We have to sit for the self and also for the world. So I was looking at how Dadi was able to, like she was giving all the time to herself, and service was part of that. Because if I have to serve myself, then I will be able to serve the whole world. We always think about service. Even now, as soon as we start thinking about how to serve the world, then we got so busy with online service to start giving courses, to start, because we always thought, but actually when Baba, that day I had this inspiration or thought, these days thoughts are from Baba that we should do more tapasya. So Dadi keep inspiring us that what you have to do, serve, prepare yourself. Because if we are prepared, then you will become instrument for the souls, those who need Baba's interaction. And one thing which Dadi Janki had been talking to us a lot into our small meetings and also large gatherings, that, you know, you saw a little bit in the beginning, Dadi was giving introduction of God. In London, we used to give course and she will say, let me give course. You know, then she will give what is soul, then God, then karma, then meditation. So within 20 minutes, she gave all the knowledge. And of course, we can't do that, but also we take 2 months, right? We give little bit of lesson, then we give other lesson. But so Dadi used to call it, give original gyan. You know, in Hindi they call it Nij Gyan, because she said what God speaks as truth has power. But because we feel people won't understand, we give that example, other example, one story, other story, then what happened? People remember stories, they remember example, but they exactly forget what the knowledge is. So at this time, actually, our aim is that we connect the souls, we make them aware of soul consciousness, relationship with everyone as a soul, and relationship with one source. You know, so beautifully she gave introduction of God, right? You heard in Hindi, but you also were reading in English. So Dadi always, so many few years, he had been saying, you all should give original Gyan, because that's the truth, you should tell. But it is both ways. Maybe people are not ready to accept, but then we also internally always think they won't understand, they won't relate. I think we have to, so we keep explaining. So explanation is remembered and the main points sometimes are lost. So we also looking at what is happening outside in the world, people don't have that much concentration or interest to listen to long talks, right? But connecting with their true self, connecting with God should be really our main, whatever we speak, whatever means we adopt, it should be short and it should be given to as many as we want. But becoming complete and perfect and serving in unlimited way. Not serving and then finding no time for me to, I don't have that much time for yoga, and so how will I then become perfect? So both these things to integrate, I won't call it balance because they are so much connected. You will experiment on that you have very good yoga, you were with Baba, kept a good chart, and that day you will get very good quality service to come to you. And now is the time, not only general public, but you will receive very good invitations. Suddenly one night at 9:30, we got a call from our national television, TV Asia. We heard Dadi Janki has passed. Can you give short message? We got clippings and from videos. We have everything, but can somebody tell a little bit about her? Then recently, somebody on Sunday, all the leaders of different religions have get together, and then High Commissioner of India. He also heard about Dadi Janki and said, people need meditation. So they asked me if I can speak few minutes for Dadi. And he wanted 10 minutes of meditation for everyone. Then Doctors Association, someone else also, big associations. Can you all help? People are so stressed, and can you all conduct meditation? And these were invitation which is not that we planned. And today also from one island, they said the government wants some proper message from the center. So in a way, there will be lot of unlimited and quality service. Don't rush into just planning service, but keep preparing yourself, and you will see how Baba will make you instrument for unlimited service, for right kind of service. So prepare in both ways. As I am really enjoying this half an hour every 2 hours. We can do more, but I thought let's be practical. And there are some they're doing much more. It's very good. But even this whole stage of merging in love of Baba, in half an hour, if you can stay merged in Baba, just imagine. Such a deep change happens that your heart is so full and you make yourself so free from any kind of influence. Of course, there are no wasteful thoughts. So this bodiless stage and this stay connected with Baba, combined form, these practices prepares each one of us to serve with few words, but there will be big impact. Because now, not time for lectures. What lectures we will give now? Everyone just says meditation, 10 minutes for peace, for power, inner power. But we also have to see, am I peaceful whole day? Am I in stage of spiritual power? But if we, waste our thoughts, words, and for little matters, lose our energy, how will we be good instruments, no? So Dadi is the perfect example to become perfect and to serve in an unlimited way. It's not she neglected. Sometimes you might say, oh no, service is more important. So if you are in meditation, service is more important. You can ask that person also, I'm meditating, you also sit. Anyone went to Dadi, she is meditating, and with finger, sit, come and sit. Sometimes she won't do, Hansaben is there, but that used to be her indication. I remember many times I went 5 minutes after 7 or something because I like to meditate with her, and meditated a lot with Dadi Gulzar in her cottage. It used to be open, but it's not everyone would know because they don't want large numbers. But I came to know, so I requested, can I join at 7? And they always said, yeah. It's so interesting to look at her and how she is with Baba, you know. So we have to make this of how we can be constantly combined with Baba. I mean, tapasya is needed because we have to clear and create atmosphere for us and for whole world. So tapasya is very important, and to create the stage. But actually at this time there should be Dadi's lesson which she left with us to stay combined with Bab Dada, because his strength, his support, his source, right? He's everything for us. So as much we are receiving from Baba, others can also receive from Baba. So just follow Dadi's example of becoming perfect, combined form, but also then automatically you are available for unlimited service, not because it's your desire, then we have pure wish, but because you are ready to serve. Baba and Rama provides you unlimited opportunities. For me, like since 2 years or so, I'm more interested to help BK family, Brahmins and Yagya, because I feel, and I'm not very keen on going in public and doing all that. But so many opportunities come where automatically, one has to do that and one does it. So self and then our family, and then of course world also has to be served. So that's what my feelings, my thoughts are. Om Shanti.